Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how we can create subtitles, like Alex Hormozi in Premiere Pro. First, open up your project and load your assets or clips. Now make a sequence with your desired settings. I am choosing a vertical dimensions. Drag your clip to the under the sequence timeline without changing its settings. Now scale and position your clip according to your liking. After doing this, create the subtitles through Create Transcription in the text window. Once transcribed, choose the Create Captions option and adjust the settings according to your liking. Now the captions will be generated. Once they are created, select all of them and go to the Essential Graphics Edit section and choose the font style as the bold font. Now adjust the orientation, and now go to the shadow settings. Adjust the settings as shown. Now you see you have captions like Alex Hormozi. You can save the style and add colors to the words of your liking, and you are done. If you found the video useful, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you again soon.